What's going on, welcome back to the channel. So we got a pretty cool package in the mail. I'm sure you saw the thumbnail. We got a package from, if you remember this channel, you know this channel, or this guy, Andy's Hobby Headquarters. So we got a package from him. The reason why I got a package from him or ordered from him, because he had a particular kit that I've been looking for and been wanting to get for past year and a half from now. And I can't find this kit anywhere else except eBay, and eBay people are selling them for like 100, 150 bucks, and if it is MSRP price on eBay, then it's shipping from Japan, and that's like another 40, 50 bucks on plus shipping. It's like, okay. But I'm almost at the point where I was going to spend 100 bucks on this kit, because I do have a decal sheet for this kit, which I had for over a year and a half now. So I wanted to get this kit, this particular kit, and well, I kind of looked at it because I kind of forgot I had that decal sheet, so I just kind of Googled it, and Andy Hobby Headquarters popped right up, and it said he had it in stock. I was like, oh, no way. So Andy had it. I was like, okay, so might as well order it from him. And I got a couple other goodies in here as well, because it was the Labor Day sale he had going on. So it was spend 100 bucks, you get 15 or 14 bucks off your order. 15 bucks off your order. So that basically got me free shipping, because shipping was $13.99. So I got free shipping plus a buck off my entire order. So yeah, it worked out good. So let's go ahead and show you what we got. He really packaged this pretty well. Alright, this is a big box. Okay, so that's the packing slip. You see there, that's for me. Oh, this box is really this is a really interesting box. Oh, why don't you look at that? Andy Hobby Headquarters card. That's cool. And just in case you don't know who he is, I'm sure most of you do. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. He does mostly military tanks, and that's obviously what it is. It's one of the military tanks it looks like he built. And yeah, it's super cool. I watch him all the time because I do military tanks as well on my channel. Okay, I do have to stand up because this is really packed in here. Wow, Andy. I'm not sure if you're the one that packed this or who did. You need to go to like somewhere where you can wrap presents for Christmas, because this is like for real. That's really a Christmas present. Okay, we got Andy Hobby Headquarters sticker there. Alright, so it's literally Christmas in June. I love it. Middle of the year, we got Christmas presents. Alright, so a few other little goodies we got. I figured just to get the $100 range, we got some tiny little masking tape. This is like a 0.3 and a 0.1. Very fine masking tape. This is going to come in handy for numerous of things. So I figured get that, because why not? Alright. I figure I got something else, but I'm not sure where it is. Of course it's in here. So we got some, well, I'm not gonna open that, it's just kind of a pain, but we got some NATO black in there, 2 NATO blacks, so that's gonna come in handy for interior colors and stuff. So NATO black, that's cool. Alright, onto the kits. So this is not the kit I've been looking for, but I figured get it because I've kind of been wanting it for a while. A Subaru from Tamiya. This is actually a really cool kit. I might do it like this. It actually looks really nice, and I figured get it because why not? Oh cool, we got the interior. Yeah, this is gonna be really cool build. So figured get it just for why not, because well, let's see here. My main kit I wanted was a rally car. Alright, we'll get Andy's wrapping paper out here. Check this out. This is the car or the kit I've been wanting for years, almost a year and a half, almost 2 years now. Bella's kit, there it is. So that's very cool. This is basically like a 2014, 2015, whatever body style. So this is actually really cool. So I'm not building this as this art box, even though it's pretty cool. So guys have pictures? No. So yeah, Bell's kit. This is actually my very first Bell's kit I've ever gotten. So the reason why I've been wanting that kit for quite some time now is because I have this decal sheet. There it is, and that's what that is. If you know what that is, you can always comment, but if you don't know who that is, this is Ken Block. This is one of Ken Block's cars. This is really cool. This is like, it wasn't like a main car that he did drifting on. I mean, he did drift with this car. Don't get me wrong, there's videos out there he does drift with it, but he basically used this particular vehicle for rally races. Because before Ken Block got into really, before people really knew him about his drifting videos, he was a very famous rally car racer. And this is what he used. This is actually one of his paint schemes he used in a really big championship rally car race. So that was pretty cool. So I had this decal sheet. I got it from Scale Riders. I believe he still has it in stock. But that was super cool. Because I absolutely love Ken Block. I mean, I was heart crushed when he passed away, when I heard what happened to him, but I always wanted to do one of his cars, and I saw this decal sheet. I was like, oh my god, I gotta get it. So now I just gotta get the kit, and the kit was pretty pricey no matter where I looked. But luckily, Andy came in clutch, and he had this kit in stock somehow, and very cool. So very cool. And then again, a couple of goodies here and there. We got some paint, and then we got the Tamiya rally car. So very cool. So I just want to show this. My first time ordering from Andy, because I don't typically order from him because he's from Arizona. So it took a bit to get here, but the reason why I ordered it was because of this kit he had, and that's super cool. So you came in clutch for me, Andy, and I'm gonna tell you what, whoever packaged that, I'm not sure it was you who packaged it, but someone packaged it, and you gotta sign yourself up for packaging Christmas presents all day long. but other than that, guys, pretty quick video. I just want to share it with you guys. But until my next video, I'll catch you next time.